Today we're going to install the secondary air-injected one-way check valve on this 2016 Chevy Cruze LT 1.8 liter motor. Alright, so here is the old one, all nice and clogged up with carbon buildup. It's as hard as a rock. Look, we got some out. Damn, it is like a rock. We have a replacement. Here's the replacement part number direct from GM. Here is the gasket, because it does have a gasket, and the old one, it's a little bit old. Yeah, might as well replace it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, so here's the old one, and this is a one-way check valve, so it should not let air through this side, but it does. You can hear it there. So this one here is the brand new one. It lets no air. No air whatsoever. Sweet. So that's how you know that one's bad. Here's the old gasket. And that's why it needs to be replaced. Falling apart a little bit. So let's go ahead and get the replacement gasket. And here's the part number for that. Alright, so I'm going to put that in, but there's so much carbon buildup in there. I think I'm going to try to hit it with a flathead, and then try to blow all that gunk out with the air nozzle. It's breaking apart. So let me go ahead and do that. And there's a bunch of junk coming out. Look at that. Might need a longer screwdriver. Alright, I have my battery terminal cleaner, and I'm just trying to brush this out as much as possible. It's getting nice and clean, and then I'll hit it with the air gun real quick. Alright, let's blow all that out. I was expecting more cloud, but I guess not. Let's see how good. Is better. I don't know if we hit another clog spot or that's just as far as we could clean. But let's go ahead and just install the new one there. Here's the replacement gasket. We'll go ahead and put that on. There's 3 bolts that hold it into place. So let's go ahead and mount it on there. Alright, it's gonna go just like so, like this. It's gonna mount just like this here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 bolt and mount the other 2, and we'll start bolting it down. Alright, I mounted that one. Now I'm putting the second one here. Then I'm gonna put the bottom one. I'm just hand tightening everything. There it is. We'll just snug. It's not even tightened, you see. Now we'll put the bottom one. The bottom one goes way down here. Alright, let's go ahead and secure them down now. Perfect. Now this bottom one. Perfect. Now the middle one. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and connect this line to it here. I replaced the O-rings on this. This one here, this one here, and this one here. I've replaced the secondary air injection pump. Now I'm replacing the one-way check valve. Just having some issues with this vehicle throwing off a check engine for secondary air injection. I replaced the pump. The pump was not turning on, so that one was bad. That was replaced. I think this was bad for sure because it was leaking. Maybe caused it to go back and damage the motor, but we have that check valve replaced. We have that motor replaced. Brand new seals on this. Hopefully we have no more issues. Just make sure this is nice and latched, and you are set. That is how you replace the check valve or install it on this 2016 Chevy Cruze. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.